Next to the GT500, the new Mach 1 is the hottest Mustang around. The factory exhaust sounds really good on these cars and has a great looking set of polished stainless steel tips right from the factory. But if you're looking for a little more sound without changing the entire exhaust system, a Resonator Delete is a great way to do it. So today we're going to install a BBK stainless steel Resonator Delete on this 2021 Mustang Mach 1. So before the installation, let's fire up the Mach 1 and hear what it sounds like with the factory exhaust in place. So as we talked about before, the factory resonator is not only ugly, it's also heavy and very restrictive. So getting rid of it, it's going to make the exhaust sound better and shave a couple pounds as well. But the first thing we're going to do is measure back according to the instructions and mark the pipes so we can cut. So you're going to measure straight back from the weld on both sides. On the driver's side, 9¼ inches. On the passenger side, 8¼ inches. I'm going to use a straight edge here just to mark this. And notice they are offset. You want to make sure you mark the pipes straight because the pipes are at different angles. Just make sure you get the measurements. Double check your measurements one more time before you cut. Ours came off with the heat shields. You basically just want to pry this up and this will separate off the back. And then just clean up the edges with a file. All right, now we're going to loosen up the front clamps and remove our factory resonator. All right, we're going to slide the BBK supplied clamps over our factory tailpipes. Make sure the nuts are facing down. Install a resonator into the factory clamps in the front. So everything's in place, line up your exhaust and tighten it all up. All right, our BBK X-Pipe Resonator Delete is installed. Now let's hear how it sounds. Sometimes a small part just makes a huge difference. So the factory exhaust of the Mach 1 with the active sounds good already. The tips look amazing with the rear valves, but taking that resonator out and adding the Delete just bump the volume up, which gives it just enough tone to make it even sound like a full aftermarket exhaust system. The installation is pretty straightforward. It does require cutting. You want to make sure your measurements are exact. Give yourself about 2 hours. Be back on the road in no time.